Overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, is a measure of how well a manufacturing operation is utilized, facilities, time and material, compared to its full potential, during the periods when it is scheduled to run. It identifies the percentage of manufacturing time that is truly productive. An OEE of 100% means that only good parts are produced, 100% quality, at the maximum speed, 100% performance, and without interruption, 100% availability. OEE is calculated using the following formula. OEE equals availability x performance x quality. 1. Availability is the percentage of time that the equipment is available to run. 2. Performance is the percentage of time that the equipment is running at its full speed. 3. Quality is the percentage of parts that are produced to specifications. To improve OEE, it is necessary to improve one or more of these three factors. For example, if the equipment is not available due to unplanned downtime, then you can improve OEE by fixing the problems that are causing the downtime. Or, if the equipment is not running at its full speed, then you can improve OEE by making adjustments to the settings or by upgrading the equipment. And, if the quality of the parts is not good, then you can improve OEE by training the operators or by making changes to the manufacturing process. OEE is a valuable metric for manufacturers because it provides a way to measure and track the efficiency of their operations. By understanding their OEE, manufacturers can identify areas where they can improve their productivity and reduce waste. Here are some of the benefits of using OEE. 1. It helps manufacturers identify areas where they can improve their productivity. 2. It provides a benchmark for measuring progress over time. 3. It can help manufacturers identify and prioritize problems. 4. It can help manufacturers communicate the value of maintenance to management. 5. It can help manufacturers improve their overall profitability. If you are a manufacturer, I encourage you to learn more about OEE and how it can be used to improve your operations. There are many resources available online and in books. You can also find OEE software that can help you collect and track data, and identify areas where you can improve.